Right, Ren?
Yeah.
Want help? Here. Open. Open. Oh, Alex, what is it? Oh.
Boy, that's from Uncle Tim and Aunt Brenda.
Oh, what is it?
That's
from Aunt Kelly. John Deere.
This is from Aunt Brenda and Uncle Tim.
No, so yeah, but the card here. See what the card
Oh,
says?
that card. Oh, yeah.
Brian, just want you to know. You want me to read it to you?
No.
What's this one? Open this.
Grandma will.
Okay.
Open this, Bo.
Yeah, just 1 second. Let me get this off.
Oh, Alex, look.
Oh, a tractor book.
Tractor book.
Oh, boy.
Grandma, what are you
Wait a minute.
doing?
I'm taking this out so we can see it. Look at this.
Come on it.
Yes, it's yours.
Oh, truck.
Grandma,
Yeah.
you eat it?
It sure hope you're feeling lots better today, Brian. Just want you to know we're thinking about you and saying lots of special prayers that you will feel better very soon.